It's a little thing we do when we want to talk cars. Presented by Subaru of Orillia and Max FM. Here's Mark Shivers and Rob Stein.
It's a nightmare.
What's a nightmare, Rob?
Have you ever been driving and run out of washer fluid?
Oh yeah, that's dangerous.
Welcome to Car Chat with Mark and Rob.
One of the things I always recommend to our customers is carry that extra jug of washer fluid with you when you're heading out to the wintry roads here in Orillia and Lake Country. And I think on that note, Rob, let's talk winter readiness.
Everybody needs to understand what you have to do to get your car ready for winter. It's really important.
One of the key things I always recommend is carry that roadside emergency kit with you.
What's in an emergency kit?
For me, it's just simply a duffel bag. I fill it with things like an ice scraper, a blanket, candles, matches, a few snacks, some road markers, and often it's good to have a handheld GPS.
I know you put your emergency kit together yourself, but can you buy one at a dealership?
Oh yeah, you certainly can. Dealership's a great place to buy them. Ask your advisor, what they're all about.
They are competitively priced with Amazon and everybody else.
Very competitive at your dealerships.
Excellent. Mark, I heard the other day on the radio someone was advertising these covers that cover up both your windshields front and back to avoid having ice and snow on them in the morning.
Saw one of those as well myself, and something you can order online or at your local dealership as well.
Yeah, it's got to be great getting up in the morning instead of having to scrape off that windshield. You can just pull that cover off.
It's one quick swipe and away you go off to work in the morning.
And what are some of the other things that I can do to make sure that my car is safe for my family and ready for winter? One
of the first things I would recommend is get to your local dealership and get a winter maintenance check. Book yourself in. All you're needing to do is just get your fluids topped up, check your battery life, tread life on your tires, wipers, fluids, all these kind of things to make sure your vehicle is road ready and safe for the winter months.
Right. Winter tires and windshield wipers got to be the two most important things.
I would say so, yes. And again, that emergency safety kit, always a recommendation this time of year.
Thanks for listening to Car Chat.